This is Twin Star. A couple things you need to know about this block. For your white background and your yellow, you're going to cut both of those squares twice on the diagonal to make 4 triangles. This is one of those places where having a really good, accurate seam allowance is going to matter, because you're going to have a little bit of bias, and so you don't want to stretch. It needs to be very accurate at every step. Use a seam guide if you have any doubts. A little bit of pretty washi tape right there for your guide, or you can use a seam guide. You're going to have to remember to piece all 4 of them exactly the same way. You can't do 2 half triangle squares and cut them in half, because 2 of them, the triangles will be on the wrong side. So you have to piece these individually. The only trick to that is to make sure as you're feeding them through that all 4 look the same. If you've got the light triangle on the top, they all need to be that way. If you have the yellow, they all need to be that way. Consistency is what matters. To put this together, you're going to do your 3 pieces. And this one is great because the seams are really easy. You can press them in one direction. You're going to press all of them to the large square, and then on the back, you're going to press them out towards where you have the fewest squares. You are against a little point here, but it still presses very, very nicely. This is Twin Star, and it's an easy block.